Huawei introduced the Matepad T10 Kids Edition, a tablet for young children. Like the Matepad T10s, it is powered by a Kirin 710A chipset, but it has a smaller, lower resolution display, a 9.7-inch 1280 by 800 pixel with IPS LCD and 156 ppi. It runs Android 10 with EMUI 10.1. There is no Harmony OS here and no Google services either, and it comes with 2GB of RAM and 16 or 32GB internal storage with a micro SD expansion slot. This one is really made for very young kids. If the brightly colored exterior wasn't enough of a hint, the tablet is covered with an anti-shock case made out of food-grade silicone. This case is removable, by the way, once the kid is old enough to be trusted not to break it. There is a big handle that also doubles a kickstand, so the kiddo can prop up the tablet while watching a video or playing on educational games. To that end, the tablet comes with a free 12-month subscription to Azumi, a service that offers hand-picked, age-appropriate puzzles, games, and inspirational videos. A chunky capacitive tablet is included in the box so that the Picasso can spend some time with digital coloring books. There is a lot in the tablet for the stylus, which should reduce the possibility of its being lost. The tablet has a 5000 mAh battery with 5 watts charging, a USB-C included. This really isn't meant to be charged fast or even used during charging. As a safety feature, Huawei has included an option to disable the tablet while it charges, to discourage kids from hanging around electrical outlets. Interestingly, this tablet has full LTE connectivity, meaning it can be used on the go. It also supports Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and has a GPS receiver. There are 2 speakers and a 2-megapixel front-facing camera that can be used for video calls. There is also a 5-megapixel camera on the back with 1080p video recording, so the kid can snap some photos. Of course, all the kid-friendly apps and features are tucked into the kids' corner. Mom and dad can use the various time, applications, and content management features to make sure that the tablets stay kid-friendly. The Huawei Matepad T10 Kids Edition is launching in Indonesia first and hopefully will release globally, and is already available for pre-order at the price of $200 US. So, what do you think of this new Huawei T10 Kids Edition tablet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel is absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.